Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 4 lesson number 5 land use, farming and forests. Today we are going to do its exercise. Let's start. Question number 1. In which parts of Pakistan it is difficult to grow crops? Why is that so? And its answer of question number 1 is it is difficult to grow crops on the steep rocky slopes of the mountains and in the desert areas. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2 is what is alluvial soil and where is it found? And the answer of question number 2 is alluvial soil is the most fertile soil. It is found on river plains. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3 is Pakistan is an agricultural country. What are the requirements for successful agriculture? And the answer of question number 3 is Pakistan is an agricultural country. It needs good fertile soil, rains and irrigational canals to supply water to the crops. This is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4 is why is livestock farming important for Pakistan? And its answer is livestock farming is important for Pakistan. Animals are bred to provide milk and meat. Some animals like oxen are used to plow the fields and turn the water wheel on the farm. This is the answer of question number 4. Question number 5. What kinds of forests are found in the mountainous areas? And its answer is the alpine and the coniferous forests are found in the mountainous areas of Pakistan. This is the answer of question number 5. Question number 6 is in which areas of Pakistan are thorn and mangrove forests found? And its answer is the thorn forests are found in parts of Balochistan and all over Punjab and Sindh provinces. The mangrove forests are found in the Indus Delta and the coastal areas in the south. This is the answer of question number 6. Question number 7 is list the reasons why forests are important. And its answer is list the reasons why forests are important. This is the question 7 and its answer is forests are important as the green plants give out oxygen necessary for all living things to breathe. The trees also provide us with medicines, cooking oil, rubber for making tires for cars, wood for building homes and furniture. The softwoods are pulped to make paper. We also get perfume, glue, paints and dyes from the different parts of the plants. The trees of the forest provide homes to many small animals, birds and insects. Next is work page and question number A is fill in the columns below for crops grown in Pakistan. There are two columns, food crops and cash crops, and we will write here food crops wheat, rice, maize, mustard, and cash crops are sugarcane, sugar beet, cotton, tobacco. This is the answer of question number A. Question number B is color the circles green for the land farms which are fertile and brown for the land farms which are not suitable for cultivation. First one is valleys between rivers, snowy areas, deserts, delta, alluvial soil and mountains. Okay. Valley between rivers, it's green, it is suitable for irrigation. Snowy areas, it's brown. Deserts, brown. Delta, brown, alluvial soil, green, mountains, brown. Question number C. Fill in the blanks. First one is dash are used by farmers to make their crops grow well. Number 2. The most fertile soil is called dash soil. Number 3. Animals that work on farm include dash, dash and dash. Number 4. Wood from the dash tree is used to make clothes. Number 5. Forests planted by man are called dash. Or number 6. Wood from the bole is used to make dash and dash, and the answer of all these blanks are blank of first is the fertilizers, second is alluvial, third oxen, buffaloes and camels, fourth one shisham, fifth blank is plantation, and sixth blank are gum and medicines. Next is complete this fact sheet about the forests of Pakistan. First one is alpine forest, location, type of trees. Next is coniferous forests, location, type of trees, dry forest, location, types of trees. Thorn or rock, location, type of tree, plantation, and riverine forests. First one is alpine and its location is Gilgit-Baltistan. Types of trees are silver, fir, juniper and birch. Number 2 is coniferous and its location is Murree, Nathia Gully and in some parts of Balochistan, and types of trees are spruce, fir, deodar and teal trees, oak, maple, willow, poplar, walnut, chestnut and juniper. Third one is dry, Pothohar plateau, a location है and its types of trees are pula and cow. Next is thorn or rock and its locations are parts of Balochistan, all over Punjab and Sindh, and types of trees are acacia and tamarisk. Next is plantation, location is near rivers and canals, and types are on banks of the rivers, swamps and marshes. Next is the riverine, it is along the river Indus in Sindh, and types of trees are babul and shisham. Today we have completed this whole chapter with exercise. Allah Hafiz.